Hello there, Toy Story fans. In today's video, it's Toy Story Funko Bullseye Pop Figure. So before I open him up, let's see the details on the box. Here's the back. That's got all the Toy Story characters like Woody, Buzz Lightyear, Ham, Rex, Slinky, Bo Peep, Buzz Lightyear dressed up to be Mrs. Nesbit, Wheezy, and Bullseye. Anyways, let's open him up to see if there's cool details about him too. Alright, Bullseye is out of the package. He's got the letters. It says Andy on the side on his feet. See? That's got the word Andy on one of his hooves right there. Just like what you see in Toy Story 2. He's got a lot of details on him. And, yeah. Anyways, here's a little history. That's where Jesse, Bullseye, and the Prospector made a first debut since Toy Story 2 in 1999, and so does the evil Emperor Zurg in the movie. So, yeah. So that's the history about the movie. So anyways, Toy Story fans, what do you think about this Bullseye pop figure? I think it's really cool. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up. And I'll do my best to make more videos in the future. Anyways, I'll stay tuned for the next video.